Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Linktree to TikTok. So let's get right into it. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is you have to create your account on Linktree. I have already my account on Linktree and I'm going to add Linktree to TikTok. So I will go to my profile. Go to edit profile, select bio, paste your link over here and then save, and it's done. As you can see guys, that's it. This is how to add a Linktree to TikTok. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.